here is how we can download unsupported apps on an iPhone. So let me talk about it and let me explain it from multiple different angles. But if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so of course, if your iPhone is not up to date and there are some apps which you cannot download, you can go to the settings and find the main section where inside a general and a software update, you can see if there is anything available. And if there is, like in my case, it's always a good idea to update so the latest apps will always be available. But that's just one part of the story. It could also happen that your phone simply doesn't support some app and you don't have the ability to get it regardless of your software version. And if that is the case, you can still do one more thing. So if you go to the App Store and tap on your profile in the top right corner like this, you will have the ability to go to the app and purchase history like this. Click on my apps and I can go back in time and find the apps which I used to have on my phone back in the day. So even if the latest version of such app isn't available anymore to be downloaded, you can kind of get like the old version of the very same app as long as you had it at one point on your phone. Right, so a great example, which I actually talked about in one of the other videos, right, was using the Etsy application, right? So as you know, the Etsy is like the marketplace where you can sell stuff and buy stuff. And right now, when you look it up, you have two apps. You have one with the orange icon to buy stuff, and you have the one with the blue icon to sell, right, for Etsy sellers. And these are currently the only two apps from the developer, right? So you cannot really get anything else, right? So as you can see, the developer has these two apps available. However, on another phone, which I have in here, if I go to the App Store, right, and if I look up the same history by going to the accounts, the app purchase history, my apps, and if I look for Etsy in here, you can see that I have the ability to get even a third one, which is called Sell on Etsy. It's now outdated. It's not supported anymore, technically, right? Because the only two apps which work are these two, but I can still get it even though it is not supported, right? It cannot even load it up, but I can still click on the cloud icon and kind of like get it back and reinstall it back to my phone. So my point is that you can kind of like still get it, the older apps, if you had them at one point on your device, and you can kind of like look it up this way and essentially get the app. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later.